Okay, let's move to the question number 2. The diagram shows the curve y is equals to the a cos of bx plus c for the x is less than and equal to 180 and greater than equal to negative 180. It is given that a, b, c are integers. Find the values of a, b and c. You can see that this curve has the maximum value of y, which is y max, which is 3. And the minimum value of y, which is y min, and this one is equal to negative 7. To find the value of a, we use the formula that a is equals to y max minus y min over 2. And in this case, y max is equals to the 3 minus negative 7 because y minimum is negative 7 over 2. So further solving, we will have 10 over 2. So we have a is equals to 5. Now we need to find the value of b. B is this vector which represents that how many cycle we have in 360 degree. So b is the how many cycles we have in 360. So you can see that from 180 to negative 180 we have 360. So if we count the peak values 1, 2, 3, so there are 3 peaks. So we can say that 3 peaks in total of 360 degree. So b is equals to 3. Now we need to calculate the value of c, which is equals to the y max plus y min over 2. So in this case we have 3 plus negative 7 over 2, and this one is equals to 3 minus 7 over 2, which is equals to negative 4 over 2, and this one is negative 2. So we have c equals to negative 2, a is equals to 5, b is 3, and c is equals to negative 2.